Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So canceling a rental is possible but only under specific conditions. So timing is everything. Okay, so first thing first, go to Amazon website. Okay, Amazon itself, open Amazon, not just Prime Video, sign into your account. Okay, rental management is handled via Amazon, not via Prime Video. So access your orders, like go to accounts and lists. Okay, here look for orders. So orders is the second option after your accounts. Okay, tap it. This shows your transactions. Okay, so find the rental. Okay, so switch to digital orders, like from here. Locate the rented movie or show, so it should be here. Okay, look for recent purchases, cancel the rental, so click cancel order or cancel rental, it should be here. So confirm cancellation, only available if not watched. Okay, confirm refund. Okay, so refund is processed to your original payments method. Okay, it may take a few days depending on your bank. And there are some things that happens after cancellation, like rental is removed from your library, access to the title is revoked, and refund is issued if eligible. Okay, so there are also some common issues that happened, like can't cancel rental, so you may have already started watching, or no refund received, so check refund status or contact support, or can't find rental, so you have to look under digital orders here. Okay, so in this page. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.